Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mohammad Irfan Hushoiri bin Khairul Anuar with metric number J21A0979. Today what I want to do is lab conduct electrolysis of water by using 1.5 volt of batteries and spoon. Okay, let's do it. The equipment that we need in this experiment is 1.5 volt of battery, a couple of spoons that can use as conductor to steal from the batteries to solution. A pilot beaker that we use is volumetric beaker, goggles, lab coat or apron, a pair of gloves, digital scale, mini spoon. Next, the ingredient that we need is salt, vinegar and a jug of water. First step to setting up this experiment is to mix together of solution for the electrolysis is 10% of salt and 90% of water. It is best calculated by weight or measured by the beaker height. It is shown then 90% of water is added until 800 ml of beaker height, 10% of salt to combine it before it starts. Put a spoon of salt into the beaker until the water is change color. Mix together of the combination into the beaker by using a small spoon. Let me take a few minutes to combine the solution into the beaker and spill it until the salt in the of beaker was mixed. Then put the pair of spoon into the beaker. The next step is the best part of the experiment. Take the spoon or your lid and smoke it into the water. Make sure do not touching each other. Put the battery terminal into the spoon. Make sure each one spoon is touched in each terminal. When the battery is touched and spoon, we can see a bubble form into the spoon. This bubble is filled with hydrogen and chlorine gas. If the spoon is touched, it will create a short circuit and the reaction is stopped. If you separate the spoon and the battery still attached, the reaction still continue. It is important to know that chlorine gas is stored into the hill and light across outline carbon scan are very small. Even so, you should do the experiment in outside by wearing a glove or a lab coat. You must know this: the longer of reaction is continuous, the water is turned to the clear color to yellow and then to cream and brown. We can see that the color of water is changed to the orange. After we done, put off the spoon on the beaker and we can see that the color of the water is changed, and we must to clean the beaker, and before that you must see the product of the solution. When we have done and when to wash our experiment, take out the spoon from the beaker into the sink. So what we have to do is broken the bonds of hydrogen and oxygen into the water and sodium and chloride into the salt. Just like the reaction is very strong base, we must neutralize our solution before we can properly dispose of it. This is vinegar come in. Vinegar is an acid or vinegar into the beaker to neutralize our solution, and it will bring the pH down to the neutralized level. It is safe to dispose of. And you must combine it. Shake the beaker until the solution mix together, and then take a few breaks. Turn the water and pour our solution direct to the sink. Wash the beaker, and then you must put the beaker into the store. You must shake the beaker to avoid the solution, and then put to dry the beaker. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching.